Hello, I'm Melissa Anthony, a student at Olin College and a researcher with NDSU's Cider REU. I've been analyzing data from a general education biology class for non-science majors. These students were given a survey on a socio-scientific issue, then taught a lesson on the science behind it, then given a post-survey on the same socio-scientific issue. We used thematic coding to categorize the students' reasonings, but we had trouble with some students. Whenever a researcher thematically codes, they must have an other category to put those responses in. Thematic coding is meant for finding the larger trends that are more popular, but they're not very good at telling you about what's happening in that other category. I wanted to check out the others, and also the answers that were just unexpected. In our sex determination, we expected students to talk about the sex spectrum, but some of them talked about the physical act of sex. Enough to get their own code. What's up with that? When asked if they made any changes to their lifestyle because of the lesson on COVID-19, the majority of students said no, but also a large proportion said that they had other benefits from the lesson. Like, I'm really grateful we did this, or this was a good, reliable source of information. That has little to do with the purpose of the question. Troubled by these answers, I looked at literature and found out about satisficing and the good participant effect. In satisficing, rather than answering to the best of their ability, a subject just answers the bare minimum required to finish answering the question. In the good participant effect, a subject who knows the hypothesis acts in a way to support the hypothesis. Both of these can be explanations for some of the unusual answers we get. For instance, students who just repeat a learning goal could be both satisficing and exhibiting the good participant effect, trying to prove that they learned in the lesson, but not willing to put any thought into the question. Education research seems particularly susceptible to this, so caution needs to be taken when designing studies. I'd like to thank Maya and Kylie, who coded responses with me, my mentor, Kimmy Booth, and my co-mentor, Jenny Momsen. I'd also like to thank the National Science Foundation, who funded this research.